Okay, tell us what's going on.
Here we are at Wayford Bridge in little kayaks.
Little kayaks for a little person.
We are going to kayak around the Broads and it is stunning.
It's quite nice, is it not?
It is. And that's Guy's kayak, blue for boys. Boat just going past us.
Here, tell us what's happening now.
Is that your Norfolk accent?
Here,
This is absolutely idyllic.
indeed,
Idyllic.
yes. So what way are we going, Oldham or the other way?
Dillham. It's Dillham actually.
Well, you can get up that tiny bit there.
Can we? Brilliant idea of mine.
It was good, yeah. But the good thing was we relaxed and had breakfast, which is important.
Come on, let's get going.
Lily ponds as well.
Lily ponds, lily pads, lots of lovely yellow flowers. We've turned round and we're going to go down towards Barton Broad, which is down that way. Some things are brand new and others are quite dilapidated.
What's happening here?
We're not used to boats without a rudder or a skeg and they just turn, don't they? So it's quite hard to stay straight sometimes.
You smell that bacon?
I can. Somebody must be cooking on the boat.
Yeah.
Let's go down to Barton Broad.
How far is it?
I have no idea how far it is. Well, that was amazing. A marsh harrier.
You sure it was a marsh harrier?
Oh my god, the size of it, the colours, it was beautiful. Right over the banks and then it flew right across the water into the reeds on this side. That was just amazing.
Do you want to tell us what's going on, please?
This has just been so brilliant.
It's been pretty
Yeah,
cool.
and look at this. We're passing windmills all the way down the Broads. Just so picturesque.
And a little boathouse.
Isn't it gorgeous?
Absolutely.
The odd boat passing us by, but apart from that, so relaxing.
It's pretty cool, isn't it?
Water lilies everywhere and 2 marsh harriers.
And you saw kingfishers this morning.
Yeah, and jays this
How
morning.
many jays, how many kingfishers?
4 jays, 2 kingfishers.
Are you sure?
But I didn't have my camera this morning, and unfortunately the marsh harriers are too quick when you're in a boat trying to get your camera on.
Indeed, my love.
Come on then.
Lead the way. And do it squirt me this time. Well, splash me even.
Let's go.
I believe you were trying to catch that whaley.
Beautiful.
Traditional boat in the Norfolk Broad, I believe.
We're all waiting in the queue.
Okay, is that the menu? Tell us what's happening.
Shall I tell you where we are? Well, we started at Wayford Bridge here and then we went up towards Dillham, but we came back down and we've come all the way around and we're just beyond this point where the 2 bits of the Broad actually cross over or merge. That one goes up to Sutton, that direction, or Stalham, up that way. or down to the Barton Broad, but it's a bit far I think to do because we've got to be back by 2. But another day, that would be amazing.
Definitely. And why did we stop here?
We stopped here just for a wee rest.
Yeah.
A rest break.
Wink wink.
Yeah.
What goes on in a kayak stays in a kayak.
Finish it off. And these are our little boats. Aren't they lovely? It's so pretty around here. And peaceful. And easy kayaking. Really would be great for beginners. Here's for the launch. Not fast.
That's what you always say. Yeah, but how do I get in now?
Just remember the camera. Is this going to be a success or not?
This is why the native Inuit did it.
Oh. Whee! That was good.
Yeah, maybe for you it was, baby. What's happening here?
That's us just coming back to the windmill again.
Have you enjoyed yourself?
It's been really, really good. Really good.
What do you make of it all?
That is so lovely. Really lovely.
Cool or cool?
Really cool. And we've got a marsh harrier right above us.
Are you sure?
Yeah. Guy having a chat to one of the boatmen. We're nearly back at Wayford Bridge, where we started from. Have you enjoyed it?
Loved it. Absolutely loved it. You've things to say as always.
So this morning after our kayak we had a lazy afternoon, a lovely lunch back at the van, but this evening we've come for a little walk round Wroxham and have a look at it.
Are you going to guide us?
Have a look.
Beautiful. Beautiful yellow
Yeah.
thing. Look, he wants some. Look. Look at the speed of it. Look at that. Look at the speed of them. Here you go, there's more in there.
See that? He's trying to pack it. Oh, just look at this view. It's beautiful. So we're taking a little walk through some parkland right next to the waterway, and it's on boardwalk, which is lovely. As you can see over there, we just did a little thrush there, but it's obviously flown off.
Are you sure? I never saw him.
Right, let's march on. It's been a really pretty little walk. Lots of boats all along here, and the great thing is they get 24-hour free mooring alongside. That's the tour boats over there that'll take you all round the Broads. That might be something we want to do. We've had a little walk around Wroxham and it's now 6:05. Unfortunately it's time to go and do some shopping and then head back to the